Welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to prevent the use of the focused inbox feature on LinkedIn when using your PC. This new update can help you manage your messages more effectively by allowing all your communications to appear in one place. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or icon. Click on the Me icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Next, on the left side of your screen, find and click on Data Privacy. This section contains options that allow you to manage how your data is handled on LinkedIn. Now, scroll down until you locate the Messaging Experience section. Here, you will find an option labeled Focused Inbox. Click on this option to access its settings. Finally, you will see a toggle switch for Use Focused Inbox. Click this switch to disable it. Once disabled, all of your LinkedIn messages will be displayed in a single inbox rather than being separated into focused and other categories. And that's it. You have successfully turned off the Focused Inbox feature. From now on, all your messages will be in one place, making it easier for you to stay organized and ensure that you don't miss any important communications. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider sharing it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and happy networking on LinkedIn.